up, everybody? Jayville Sports here with my sports picks video. It is Thursday, June 24th. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. The Oakland A's let us down yesterday. Our free play was a loser, but the good thing about baseball is they play series, and I jumped right back on Oakland this morning. So far so good. They're up 4-1. We'll see if they can hold on, but you guys know I have another free play for you guys. There's only 7 days left in the month, so let's go over some monthly totals, how we're doing so far this month. Our free plays, 14 and 10, we're hitting 58% with our free plays. Overall, for those of you that are receiving my plays via email each and every day, we're killing it this month. We're 64 and 42 at 60%. We know record isn't everything. We are up plus 764. What that means is my $100 bettors are up over $750. My $1,000 bettors are up over $7,500 just this month alone. Today's free play of the day, the Houston Astros run line. Don't get in front of this train. Also, don't forget, Suns in 4.